Hey everybody, Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. Happy Sunday. Thank you for joining the video. So today is going to be attempt number 3 at getting these brake drums off. I have my vintage Blue Point / Snap-on, whatever you want to call it. Blue Point was actually what Snap-on used to be before they changed to Snap-on. I have my vintage wheel puller attached right there. You can see it. So hopefully that will do the trick. It is, like I said, very old, so it's made of solid cast iron, not the cheap stuff that they have nowadays. So hopefully this is going to work. I'm going to film the whole process so you guys can finally see these drums come off. If today doesn't work, then I'm going to be kind of puzzled after that. We're going to have to make some other arrangements because, like I said, we've tried 3 times now to get these off, and to no avail so far. But anyway, hopefully 3rd time's the charm. Thanks, guys. Let's get started.
When you're holding, see if it stops it.
Okay.
Nope.
Not at all, huh?
Nope.
Not a bit.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. There it went.
That's it? It's off?
Probably.
Probably, or did it break again?
No, I think it's not yet. Well, I got to take the nut off now. Yeah, it's all against the washer.
Okay.
So it
Sweet.
takes. That's the noise she makes.
Success.
I don't like doing that
Why?
because I'm so worried I'm going to hit this.
Yeah, it was a little more body work, right?
Yeah.
Oh, don't you dare dent my car. Thought you just said the axle was coming out.
I don't know how these things work.
I mean, that's
That's
a tremendous amount of force to do that to that.
It's a tapered shaft, so that's why. Look at that keyway on that thing. Jeez. So I'm guessing you take the nuts off the keeper from the back.
Leg on there somehow.
Don't miss.
Turn it. Yeah. There we go.
There it is. It's all good.
Wow. That was easy, right?
Yeah, sure.
I didn't work up a sweat at all. Piece of cake. Doing a Packard.
Uh-huh.
So a lot of the old ones have either a spline or a key-weight axle on them. A lot of the old cars, the 30s cars.
Uh-huh. I believe it.
So you have to have one of these.
I feel bad that I, put so many marks on such a nice tool.
I think that's
Look,
what it's for.
Look how much I rounded that out.
Oh, at least you only did one.
Yeah. Only one.
We'll always use that one.
Yeah.
We can face it. We can face it and file it nice. And
Yeah.
Are you guys really worried about it?
make it beautiful again.
Come on. Memories.
The main thing is once we do this, you don't need to ever.
You won't ever use that tool again.
Yeah, you won't ever use the tool again.
And be hanging in the garage. 60 hertz.
Do you know this girl?
Yeah, I do. Wasn't somebody asking about adjusters the other day?
Yes.
Oh, they're self-adjusters.
Mm-hmm.
We don't really
don't
know.
Yet. We're thinking the lugs are pressed that hub into the drum. So we're gonna have to press the lugs out, separate the drum right here from the hub, and then put the lugs back in to hold this flange to the.
Well, I mean, you want to. We're
gonna
gonna have to
press
replace
them.
the studs anyway. You want to bash them out with the? I'll bash them out with the sledge, and so we can see if it changes
We
anything.
can see how bad they're in.
Yeah, might as well do
I mean,
that.
well, I don't want to ruin them if we don't have to, because I don't know if they're easy to get. I don't know if they're a standard size.
All right, so that was a very successful day. We are done. It is hot, and everybody's done for the afternoon. So it didn't take too long. Honestly, very easy. Thank you guys, as always, for watching my videos. Take care. Have a very blessed week ahead of you. See you guys soon.